How to fix Netflix login error on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can fix Netflix login error on your iPhone. So sometimes when you try to log into your Netflix account, you simply cannot log into your Netflix account and it will keep showing cannot log in, unable to log in, an error has occurred or something like that. So in this video, I'll show you how you can fix the error and log into your Netflix account. So the first thing you want to do is, if you are on your Wi-Fi and unable to log into your Netflix account, try switching to mobile data, and if you are on your mobile data, try switching to Wi-Fi. That way you might be able to log into your Netflix account. But if you are still not able to log into your Netflix account, what you can do is go to your App Store and then search for Netflix. Now, as you can see, it says open, meaning my Netflix app is currently up to date, but if yours is showing update, it means that your app is not up to date and you need to update the app. So sometimes you won't be able to log into your account as the app is not up to date. So updating the app can fix your error. But if your error is still there, what you can do is go to your settings and then go to general. Now go to iPhone storage and then locate Netflix. Now it will provide you basically two options, offload app and then delete app. So tap on offload app. Now what offload app does is it will delete the Netflix app itself, but it will keep all of its documents and data. So simply tap on offload app, and now once the app is offloaded, reinstall the app. And now once you reinstall the app, try logging into your account, and in most cases you'll be able to log into your account. But if you still aren't able to log into your account, what you can do as a last resort is, first of all, restart your iPhone and then uninstall the Netflix app and then reinstall the app, and now you'll surely be able to log into your Netflix account. So that is it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.